I got a lot of questions in our last video. How do I get into the virtual protocol ecosystem? How do I onboard? How do I bridge? I'm going to make a video that you can literally share with your grandma that's going to explain to her exactly from step 1 to step 10 how to get into the virtual protocol ecosystem, how to buy, sell, and research the virtual protocol ecosystem agents. So like the video and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do, very simple, whether you're on your browser or your phone, is to download the Coinbase wallet. Now, you can use a Phantom wallet, you can use a Trust wallet, but for the sake of this video and the easiest for me that I've been using, the Coinbase wallet. And what you're going to do is you're going to get some Ethereum in there. So all you're going to do is you're going to copy your wallet address and you're going to go to whatever exchange or whatever other wallet you have Ethereum in, you're going to send it there. Now, the Ethereum is going to show up like this. And you're going to see a small logo on the bottom here, and I'll zoom out here. You're going to see a small logo. This tells you that this ETH is on Ethereum. Your next step is going to be to get this ETH on Ethereum to ETH on Base. Okay, now if you're in your mobile wallet app, it's going to look like this. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on your ETH and this page will show up. Okay, once this page shows up, there's a little arc here. Okay, it's labeled bridge. You're going to click that. Then it's going to take you to this page where you're going to click ETH on Base. And the important thing to look out for, my friends, is the little logo on the bottom right. You're going from ETH on Ethereum, okay, to ETH on Base. You see the Base logo, that's what you want. Then you put in the amount you want to do, and then on the bottom, you click continue. You got to pay a fee in ETH, but once it's on the Base network, the fees drop from dollars to literally fractions of pennies. And so that is what you're going to need to get into the virtual ecosystem. Now, if you're on the browser extension, right, and I'm just going to do this live. I got 20 bucks of ETH in here. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to swap. It's a little different on the browser, okay? So we're going to go to Base and we're going to hit swap to ETH on Base. And we're going to do $15 because of damn network fees. Okay, so you see here from ETH on Ethereum to ETH on Base. Find the best price. You need an additional point. Okay, so it's asking me to leave more ETH behind. Let's do this. Let's do $10. Find best price. You see, oh my God. Thanks, Ethereum, for charging me $6 to bridge over $10. But we're going to do it anyways for the sake of this video. You're going to go in here. You're going to confirm in your wallet, and it'll show you swapping ETH on Ethereum to ETH on Base. You're going to exit here. Now, it'll take 5 seconds. Okay, so now you have your ETH on Base. Okay, here you go, your ETH on Base. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, if you're in your mobile app, the easiest way to do this is on the bottom of your wallet here, the bottom little 5 icons, you're going to click on this browser that I have circled. Once you click that browser, you're going to type in virtuals.io. Once you're in there, make sure to bookmark it so you don't lose it. But we're going to do it here on the internet browser. So here we go, virtuals.io. You're going to click enter app. Then you're going to click on the top right, connect wallet. Now, if it's your first time, it's going to ask you, do you want to sign in via email or continue with wallet? You're going to click on continue with wallet. You're going to choose your wallet, which of course is going to be the Coinbase wallet. It's going to prompt you to accept and connect to the dApp. You're going to sign this transaction and bam, you are successfully created. Now, you have access to the virtual ecosystem. Now your wallet is connected, okay? Now you're going to want to go back and you're going to want to swap some of this ETH for virtual protocol token. Now, some of the functions, a lot of the larger AI agents like the AI XBT, the Sequoia, you can swap it directly within the app. You can go to your Ethereum on Base and you can click swap from ETH on Base and you can search, let's just say AI XBT. Okay, this does have a pairing to ETH on Base, and you can do, let's say, $5, and it'll show you for $5 worth of ETH, you can directly swap within your Coinbase wallet to AI XBT. You click find best price, and it takes you through that entire process, tells you how much the fees are, your slippage tolerance, and Coinbase does take a 1% fee. So if you're willing to pay 1% for convenience, and it is a larger cap coin, like AIXBT, like Sequoia, like Vader, like Game or Convo, and you just don't want to go through the whole dApp process, you can swap within the app, and that's how you do it. what I'd recommend is get comfortable using the actual Virtual Protocol website. Now you go here. Now what you're going to want to do if you're going to use the Virtual Protocol website, you're going to want to swap some of your ETH over, and I keep clicking that, but I'm used to my wallet. You're going to swap some ETH to virtual token, okay? And we're going to swap $5, okay? You're going to go from ETH on base to virtual on base. Find the best price. Tells you the fee, again, 1% plus a network fee, and you're going to click swap. You're going to confirm the transaction in here, and it'll show you that it's swapping. Once it is done, you click out of it, and there is your virtual protocol. You go back to your app, and you can see here, if you click on this, the cool thing about this, it'll show you what agents you hold, and you currently hold no agents. Some of them that have not been bonded yet will not have a price feed in your Coinbase wallet. So if you're unsure of how much it's worth, you just go to this website, click on this little icon here that resembles your wallet, and it'll show you all the agents you hold, even the ones that have not bonded yet, that don't have a price directly reflecting in your wallet. You can see how much virtual token and how much money they're worth. So a lot of people, remember the first time I did it, I was like, where did that coin go? That's how you find it out, okay? Now, to get back to finding coins. Now, research, we talk about research all the time, but let's just say you say, you know what? I want to buy some Crow, okay? And this is not an endorsement to buy Crow. I'm just using this as an example, okay? You're going to go, once you're ready to buy, you're going to connect your wallet, but you can see a bunch of things here. You can see the biography, like what is this thing about? It'll show you on the bottom what links they have. So right now they have an X page live. You can also take a look, if you're more technologically advanced, at your development logs and their registries. Once you click registry, you can also see the token holders. You see the contract, which is the bonding curve. You also see the creator of this token and how much of the supply they own. You can see here the dev only owns around 3.25%. Now, if you're someone who doesn't like to invest in projects that the founder or the dev holds a lot, then this is a tool you can use to say, okay, they hold too much of the supply, I'm going to pass on this coin. So then you start going down and you decide, hey, look, I'm going to, I saw this project and somebody talked about it or it was on my radar and I'm going to get into, I don't know, Jeff. You click on Jeff. What you're going to want to do is you're going to accept cookies. You're going to connect your wallet and it's going to show you how much virtual you have. And you're just going to swap the amount of virtuals you want into that Jeff token. Hit approve. Sign the transaction in your wallet. It'll give you all the prompts, whether you're on the desktop or you're in mobile, and then you're done. That's it. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. Highly recommend you go play around with it. If you're unsure, it's your first time, do a test transaction, check it out, make sure you're comfortable before doing a transaction with any sort of large amount of money. And so that's it, guys. Pretty simple. That's how you're going to make money. And of course, on this channel, we're going to give you all the alpha on everything, not just in Virtual Protocol ecosystem, but across the AI agent board. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.